factors that are causing the conversion, driving Indians into the hands of foreign missionaries who are somehow too embarrassed to convert people to their own faith by proclaiming themselves as missionaries but masquerade as tourists. I mean, this is laughable. But remember, viewers, let me get into some hard facts. Lokesh Jindal has a very short memory, and it's been proven time and again, viewers. It's the Congress that brought anti-conversion laws first. I think the Congress has forgotten this. So I want to ask, no, 1 minute now, Mr. Jindal. Now relax. I never interrupted you. I asked you my question. You didn't allow me to ask my question. You kept interrupting me. Now at least let me set the record straight and remind you of your own history, which you might have forgotten. It was the Congress that first brought anti-conversion laws. And the Supreme Court, in this case, viewers, Reverend Stanislaus versus State of Madhya Pradesh, 1977. And Sai Deepak is nodding his head because he knows the law, viewers. He's the only person here who comes prepared and informed. I don't know. Lokesh Jindal, you might be a tourist masquerading as a lawyer.
I could speak.
I don't know. But Sai Deepak is not. Sai Deepak is not. So I want to ask you fundamentally, and you answer this before I open this up. If you're a tourist masquerading as a lawyer, at least do me the favor, sir, of reading at least one chapter of your own history before you show up. Why did the Congress create the conditions for conversions and then pass an anti-conversion law to prevent them? This is a question today you are framing and asking the BJP. Will you admit that there were conditions back then also that made you do it?
See, when you're talking about propagation...
Or at that time, sir, was Rome's influence less over your party?
No, there's a huge difference between propagation and conversion. That is what the Stanislaus case deals with. In the Stanislaus case, the Supreme Court clearly brought about the distinction between propagation and conversion. Any form of conversion is considered illegal, whether it is violent or it is non-violent. Any form of conversion, whether it is via inducement or any form, is illegal. The Supreme Court did not draw any distinction between a violent conversion.
Sir, do not mislead.
But
please do not mislead. I want to read out of this judgment. It has to be remembered that Article 25(1) guarantees freedom of conscience to every citizen and not merely to the followers of one particular religion, and that in turn postulates that there is no fundamental right to convert another person to one's religion, because if a person purposely undertakes the conversion of another person to his religion as distinguished from his effort to transmit or spread the tenets of his religion, that would impinge on the freedom of conscience guaranteed to all citizens of the country alike.